How to create ice cream packet design using Canva. First, open Google. Search Pacdora. Open their website. Now, click on Mockups. Go to Food Packaging. Click on Ice Cream Mockup. We will select the first mockup. Click on Upload Images. Note down the dimensions. After this, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take the double width and the same height to create a full packaging design. Click on Create New Design. Click on File, then Settings. Click on Show Rulers and Guides. Set a vertical ruler line to the middle of the canvas. Go to Elements. Search Kiwi Fruit. Go to the Photos section. Add an image. Remove its background. Add another image and remove its background. Adjust their positions in the canvas. Using Kiwi Fruit, we will design our background. After this, for ice cream, we will search Popsicles. Add an ice cream image. Remove its background. Here, we will crop out the ice cream which matches the kiwi fruit. Adjust its position. Click on Edit. Open Filters. Scroll down and choose Nimbus Filter. Send the ice cream to the back. Adjust its position in such a way it will get a pop-out look from the kiwi fruit. After this, add a heading. Type the flavor name. Here, we will choose EB Garamond semi-bold font. Change font size to 90 pixels. Go to Effect and apply the lift effect. Set intensity to 5. Choose Italic style. Change color to match with fruits. Rotate it 90 degrees. Adjust its position. After this, go to Elements. Add a circle shape. Adjust its position. change its color. Duplicate and choose another color. Now add text on it. Add more text in the design. Next, add an ice cream brand logo. You can use your own. Adjust its position and size. Go to Elements and add some more elements. After completing the design, we add products and company information in the half part of the package. Our packet design is ready. Let's download it as PNG format and see its preview. For its preview, we will return to our Pacdora page. Next, click on Upload. Upload your image. Our product packaging is ready. In this way, you can easily create product packaging design using Canva and Pacdora. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.